When it comes to sourcing products for your online business, you want the best suppliers at your fingertips. So, which software provides the better supplier data for product sourcing, SaleHoo or Dropified? Let's break it down. Stick around till the end because I'll reveal a better alternative you might want to consider. First off, SaleHoo is known for its massive directory of suppliers, over 8,000 of them, in fact. This can be a huge advantage if you're just starting out, giving you access to a wide variety of niches and price points. But here's the catch: while SaleHoo has quantity, its supplier data isn't always the most up-to-date, and that's something you need to keep an eye on. You'll often need to verify supplier details yourself. On the other hand, Dropified focuses more on automation and integrations with e-commerce platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce. It allows for easier syncing of orders, tracking, and inventory management, which saves time. But when it comes to supplier data, Dropified falls short compared to SaleHoo. Dropified has a smaller network of suppliers, but the ones it works with are often more niche-focused, so if you're looking to target a specific market, that might work in your favor. However, the number of suppliers doesn't compare to SaleHoo's extensive list. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. SaleHoo's membership fee might seem a bit steep upfront. You're looking at around $67 a year, but for that, you get access to their directory and community. While this can pay off for some, others may feel the cost doesn't justify the value. Dropified, on the other hand, operates on a monthly subscription basis, starting at $47 per month. This might seem like a better deal if you're testing the waters, but those monthly fees can add up over time. The fourth thing, ease of use. SaleHoo is fairly straightforward, but it's more manual in terms of research and supplier outreach. It's ideal for someone who's okay doing the legwork. Dropified, with its automations, offers a much smoother experience once you've set things up. If you want to minimize manual work, Dropified could be a better option. But the platform can sometimes feel clunky, especially when you're trying to add new suppliers. Now, let's talk about support. SaleHoo offers good customer support, but it's mostly via email and responses can take a while. Dropified provides email support as well, but they also have a decent knowledge base and community forum, making it easier to get quick answers. Both platforms could improve here, but Dropified does have the edge when it comes to customer support responsiveness. Next, and this is crucial, data accuracy. While SaleHoo does offer a large pool of suppliers, the quality and accuracy of their data aren't always up to par. You may come across suppliers who are no longer active or who don't provide the products they claim to. Dropified, though smaller, works with more trusted and curated suppliers. However, as I mentioned earlier, their network isn't nearly as expansive as SaleHoo's. Finally, here's the big question: which one should you choose? Both SaleHoo and Dropified offer solid tools for product sourcing, but their supplier data is a bit of a mixed bag. If you want a massive network, SaleHoo is the way to go. But if you're looking for niche suppliers with automation features, Dropified might be more your style. That said, after trying both platforms myself, I found that there's a better alternative for sourcing reliable, high-quality suppliers. If your goal is to find the best supplier data for your product sourcing needs, then you should definitely check out the first link in the description. With this alternative, you'll get the best trial available, exclusive benefits just for my viewers, and access to more accurate, real-time data.